The ruling ZANU-PF party in Zimbabwe is admitted to the use of rigging methods to remain in power, including the crushing of opposition activists through violence and torture. This was said by party's national political commissaire Munyaradzi Machacha during a ZANU-PF provincial district meeting in Chinhoyi. Achipere bushe muri Zimbabwe toona ZANU-PF yaichizviexposa manje amene vari kuzviita intentionally kuti vakwanise kubohwa ma-citizens but akuona kuti awa vakuchifumurana pachena. Saka ndapinda mashoko amudanyogwa panapa munehanda ndobva wasubscribe olike kuti na on the bell icon. Tipinda munyogwa muchinzi. This was said by the party's national political commissaire Munyaradzi Machacha during a ZANU-PF provincial district meeting in Chinhoyi. Addressing hundreds of party supporters, Machacha said the party could have been out of power in 2008 after former President Robert Mugabe lost the presidential election to opposition leader Morgan Tsvangirai. We are a revolutionary party and we cannot be out of power overnight like what was going to happen after Tsvangirai won, but you all know what we did. That saw Tsvangirai running out of the country, and that's what ZANU-PF is capable of doing. After Tsvangirai's shock victory in 2008, state security agencies and the army launched Operation MaVhotera Papi, Where Did You Vote?, in which over 200 opposition supporters were killed. Achipere mushe vakomana vozviexposa vonyatsa kusvibisa aiwa zita ravo zvichanyatsa kutoita kuti vagozvigolita to their downfall. Tudze mavhunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pemashoko anotogwa naMachacha. I've been a comment section medu, musanga no subscribe, like, channel on the bell.